When it comes to going solar, many Nevada homeowners have a load of questions and concerns, so it's important to chat with the experts.
That's why Craig Garhart and David Turpin of RG Electric are joining us now. Good morning.
Hey.
Good morning.
Well, it's great to have you guys in. You know, some concerns surrounding solar can really be about understanding the process itself. So what really sets your process apart from other solar installers?
That's a great question. Basically, at RG Electric, we pride ourselves on taking care of our homeowners. So when we get to the house, when we're doing a proposal for a customer, we go through, we get up on the roof, we make sure that the roof is adequate for solar, make sure there's no problems up there. We look at their main panel, make sure that their electrical work is going to be fine, that there's no problems there. And then the real thing that sets us apart is that we analyze their system and what their power needs are really going to be. So we'll go back, look at their power bill, analyze what their needs are, and determine what the system size will be so that we can cover 100% of their usage. And we can also design systems a little bit higher if they're going to plan on getting an EV or add a pool or have any changes to their house. We're able to design their systems accordingly so that we cover their needs.
Yeah, another thing that's important, obviously, is the panels and the equipment you guys use, and lots of choices out there. What made RG choose what you're currently providing right now for customers?
Great question. There is a lot of panel choices out there. We're partnered with VSUN. They have a top bifacial black-on-black panel, great warranty, very reliable, gives our customers peace of mind for 30 years, 25-year on the workmanship, and they're going to be fully domestic by 2026. So they're building a factory. I can't disclose where, but it's going to be exciting.
Well, top secret.
Yep.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Well, when it comes to solar, a lot of concerns can also be about sort of weathering the elements. So can roof leaks really become a major concern when going solar?
Absolutely. Roof leaks happen when you use a non-reputable company. So anyone who's choosing to go solar, make sure that you do your research to find out that the company is in good standing. But at RG Electric and most of the companies out there, when you attach the panels to the roof, your attachments are tied into the studs, the trusses. And then what we do a little bit different is that we seal a little bit extra around all the penetrations, so it makes it almost impossible for the water to penetrate into the house.
Yeah, we just, obviously, you know, people change around rooms and stuff, and I know how confusing it can be for me for changing a TV panel and a remote and a control and these kind of things to make things work. So I can only assume that installing solar panels must take days, weeks, whatever it takes. You know, can you guys do it in one day? Is it a long process?
Absolutely. Most of the solar systems we install, it takes one day to install. Some of the larger projects, and when you have big, huge houses with big systems, it could take up to a couple of days. But most of the time, it takes one day to do the install.
That's impressive.
Yeah. Is there any post-install sort of monitoring? You know, once you do the install, does your sort of project team need to be monitoring? Is that something that needs to happen?
Yes. With every job that we install a communication device. It's either through a cell kit, a Wi-Fi, or you can hook it up to your Ethernet. It allows the homeowner to be able to monitor their system on a daily basis to see their production, to see if there's any issues going on with it. If there's any issues, they can call us. We go out there and we take care of it. But it also allows the manufacturers of the inverters to be able to send updates. So the inverters are basically like a computer, where your computer needs to have regular updates to make sure it runs right. The inverters are the same. And with all the issues with Nevada energy, power fluctuations, other things, the inverter companies are sending out new firmware and software that combats any problems to make it run efficiently.
So smart. I mean, the way everything communicates within itself as well. More good news for our viewers out there. You have a special offer for the people at home.
Yeah, no, thank you. Yes, for the first 5 callers at home that would like to get a proposal from RG Electric, no strings attached. We'll bring you a $100 gift card as a thank you, just for seeing if solar is a right fit for your home.
Wonderful.
Wow. Yep.
Well, thank you guys so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks, guys.
All right. For more information regarding going solar or to set up your consultation, just visit rgelectricsolar.com.
And don't forget to take advantage of their special offer by being one of the first 5 callers for a $100 gift card from RG Electric themselves.